Hey everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chalk VIP. You can also check me out on YouTube and Instagram at Telly's Talkin' Chalk. If you would like to see my finished pieces, go to tellystalkinchalk.ca. That is also where you will find the business sites, whether you're in Canada or the US. Don't mind my stomach if you can hear it. I don't know what's happening. I'm not hungry, so that's not the issue. But it's having issues. So today we are going to do the calm and bright that we were supposed to do yesterday. Or not yesterday, sorry, Wednesday, because I wasn't going to come yesterday. I have not used this one, so I am going to be fuzzing it on our fuzzing cloth. Once I figure out how to open it. I wish they would make a standard way of opening. It would make more sense. So this is the calm and all is calm, all is bright transfer. I'm just going to pull it off. You can see my fuzzing cloth right here. This is just a size A transfer. We got A through E. So this is a 5 by 7, I believe. And then it goes all the way up to 18 by 24 is our big one. Hello, everybody. How are you doing today? If you could put this on your wall or in any groups that you're in, that would be awesome. I haven't been able to do that yet. We're just going to get straight into this, and then I will do it after the fact. So if we don't have anybody live with us, that's fine. I'm just going to put it here. Line it up as great as we can. Push it down. Make sure that there's no bubbles. Now I decided to do it the same colors that I have behind me on the other one, because they match kind of. So I'm going to do my candy apple red and my white, my bright white. I'm going to be doing all of the outside in the red, and then I'm just going to do the all is calm, all is bright in the white. Or actually, should I do it the other way? Because I have the... Let me look back here. Actually, no, we're going to do it the other way. Because I want to kind of match that. So we're going to do all is calm and all is bright in the red, and we're going to do the rest in the white. Sorry if I'm shaking the table a lot. Not sure exactly what's happening. Hey Sam, how are you, honey? Okay, so I'm just going to go and do all of the white really fast. These are really cool designs and easy to do in a really timely manner. If you have gifts that you want to do, unfortunately we can't. I'm going to end up having to whip that off. That's okay. We can't, unfortunately, offer shipping before Christmas anymore. That was a couple of days ago that we could guarantee that. But if you want anything for after Christmas, we've got you covered. So I'm just going to go like this. Now you want to do this in a quick kind of thing because it will dry really quick. But I also want to try to make it as nice as I can and avoid the places that I don't want the white. And that can get tricky when you're going too fast. I tend to do that sometimes. I don't know about you, but it happens to me. What is everybody's plans for the weekend? Anybody got any special ones. I don't really have any big ones, I don't think, unless the husband's hiding some that I don't know about. Nope. Decided to answer me too. That's awesome. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the paste and peel technique. So I pasted all around. Now I'm going to pull this from the top and just around where I have pasted it. And then I'm going to push it back down and we're going to do the red part. This is just so that it doesn't dry in the transfer. Because if it does, then it won't stay on your surface and you won't have a crisp, clean design. And that's what we're working for. I want to make sure that it works out the best that we can. Now we did fuzz so that it doesn't stick too hard to the transfer, and this is actually really good. It's pulling up really nicely. And if you just do it gently anyway, it will be nice to your transfer and you won't stretch it. Because if you stretch it, then unfortunately when you use it again, because these are reusable 8 to 12 times, it won't go down the right way. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna have to use this because I have no nails and sometimes it sticks too much. Not too hard, but just in a way that I can't grab the edge. And just pull this up again. I see where it's a little broken there for a second, but that's okay. Gives it a little bit of a rustic look, even if it doesn't end up exactly right. So that's not a bad thing. So now I'm just going to push it down where the silkscreen transfer part is. That's where you can see the letters. And now we're just going to go in with the red. Yes, you were saying that. That's awesome. I know I asked around and... So you're there all weekend? Are you guys doing anything special? So we're just coming in with the red. Now I'm going fast again, but I do want to make sure that I don't go crazy because the red will overtake the white and make pink. And as much as pink's a great color, it's not really what I'm going for as far as trying to match what we did the other day. So we're just going around, pulling it through. If you are on the replay, hashtag replay in the comments, let me know when you've seen this, when you've seen it, where you've seen it. I'm always curious. If you want any information on Chalk Couture, hashtag chalk in the comments. If you would like to know about Club Couture, which is our subscription box, hashtag club in the comments. I'm just going to get the top of this M because I think I missed it. Make sure that I didn't miss the A. Oh, and part of the B over here. There we go. Now we're just going to pull it all up. This is a really quick and easy craft to do if you like to craft. Oh, my L is all messy. What is going on? My L's messy, so I do all is. That's how I work. See if it works. Almost. Oh, A. I don't have the top of my A. What the? Okay, I promise you this is easier than I make it out to look. There we go, that's better. I have to cross my T. What's wrong with my B?
It's rustic.
Well, that's what I'm going for. Shh. All my stuff goes for rustic. That's just how I roll. Right? Y'all know that. All my stuff ends up turning rustic because I just don't know how to do anything else. Hey, most people like my rustic. There we go. So there we are. Yes, the bee still looks a little rustic on the little doohickey, but that is our finished project, other than the fact I'm going to clean that up with a little bit of water in a minute. And I will take a photo and show you guys all when I am done. I hope you all enjoyed this. I will be back on Monday, because today is Friday. Woohoo! I will be back on Monday at 7 o'clock, and I will see you then. Bye, guys.